And here we are with the fourth and last video about the all-new dual camera lineup by eufy Security. So far we covered the tiny but powerful indoor camera S350, the solar-powered SoloCam S340 and the powerful dual floodlight camera E340. But compared to the other dual camera systems that are mainly used to achieve never-seen-before zooming capabilities, this is not really needed for a doorbell system. So in this configuration, instead of a parallel camera system, the second camera is facing downwards to cover a wide field of view and break the limitations of a stationary install of all the other video doorbells currently on the market. So with this you will have no more blind zones, you will get state-of-the-art AI features, local storage, extremely fast connection speeds, a lagless live view, and it just looks great. So let's check it out in detail. Got the new drip from eufy Security, the dual camera video doorbell E340. By the way, if you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. I will list and link the best deals for you. And now let's check it out. So here we have the box. It's still wrapped up, so let me get rid of that. No more wrap. So once again the front, app on the side, the other side, back with all the specs and features, branding on top and all the small print on the bottom. Let's slide it out. As always, we have the eufy Security logo right there and there we have it. So nice padding on top. Let's take it out. Oh, nice. Then we have this plastic divider in here and on the bottom we of course have all the paperwork and the accessories. So let's get right to it. Wow, look at that. That is the best looking SIM removal tool ever. Well, not necessarily for a SIM tray, but you know, this is the port opener. Then we will also get a white USB-C to USB-A charging cable right here. Then we will also get the screws and also these connection cables right here. We will also get this angling bracket, well, angled bracket, I guess, bottom right here. And lastly, of course, the wall mounting bracket. So there we go. And from the side, I think, yeah, it's supposed to work like this. So this way you can easily angle it if you can put it in the dead center. And lastly, we have this envelope. And in here we have a security sticker as well as the positioning sticker. And here we have the back side. And of course, the manual. And here we can finally see why it's a dual camera system, because there is a second one down here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the last page. And there we go. So the stickers, the paperwork, all the tools for mounting it, and of course the wall mounting brackets. Done with the unboxing. Let's get to my first impressions and then to a close overview. So here we have it. So it's well protected with this wrap. So, oh, it's looking so nice. Check this out. Nice shiny surfaces. And down here we have the battery, this over the contacts. So, and that's gone. And now we can actually slide in the battery. So it was over these 6 contacts. Oh, that's a lot of contacts right there. Always with the advanced tech. Love it. So once again, we have the camera 1 and camera 2 down here, so that you can also see your doormat and packages and all of that good stuff. Then we have the button right here and a really nice big battery on the back. And you can just pull it out just like that. And the battery has a charge port. Anyway, let's take a close look. So let's get straight to the battery while we have it. So as I said, we have the charge port right there. And if you mount it outdoors, then ensure a tight seal, says it right here. Branding on the back, that's the thing from the side. And we have the bottom right here with all the specs. So that's a nice battery pack. And the bottom and the top. So great looking battery. And here we have the video doorbell itself. So right here we have the sync button, and up here we actually have the release mechanism, for which we will need the pin, and this will push down on this lever. So like that, and then boom, it will snap in place. And now we have the little hole on top. And with the tool we can of course take it out again. So again we have the 6 contacts right here, video doorbell E340, and we also have the QR code for pairing. This is it from the side. Really nice design. So the sides are actually matte black, and here on top we also have a light built in. Then the top is shiny black, gloss black, with a nice huge camera, microphone hole, branding, sensor, and also the button. And down here we have the second camera and also 2 lights. Down here the speaker, I guess. So yeah, pretty dope. And again, the battery, you can just push it in like that. And after the boot up, you can of course press this button. Oh, actually, it will work straight away. Oh, and I missed these 2 cutouts on the sides, and this is actually really nice for grabbing it, for pulling it out. Makes it really easy. Without that, your fingers would just slide off, so nice detail right there. I definitely appreciate it. Not bad, right? So let's check out the app and then of course test it. Let's press in the battery, and just like that it is active, as you can see. So up here, let's add a device, and it's down here, video doorbell, and it is the first one. Let's add it to my home and let's scan the QR code on the back. It's right there. So next we need to connect to Wi-Fi, of course.
Press the sync button until you hear the beep.
Okay, the sync button is on the back side, this little one right there. That was the beep, and let's move on. And next up we need to scan the QR code with the doorbell.
Connecting to the Wi-Fi network.
Just like that, easy as that. Let's wait for it to connect.
Setup was successful.
Good stuff. Eufy security doorbell ESCB. Pretty dope name. I don't have wiring, so I will pick this option right here. And the app will also guide us through a detailed instruction with a dope video, as you can see right here, but that's fine. So we have the guide for the installation and for the setup, and we can also always do a check of the live view. We have excellent signal strength, and this right here is the main camera, and it's looking pretty nice. So let's go through it, find a good mounting spot. We can also use the wedge to angle it. Here we have more infos about the wall installation and more important safety tips, charging the battery and installing the bracket, and how to remove and insert the doorbell. Just like that, we are finished. Most efficient for the notifications is fine. Balanced motion detection sounds great to me. And I do want to record the audio as well. Next, we can also set a chime, delivery guard, and daily entrance review. Face detection, and we can also share this doorbell, but let's skip that, and just like that we are done. And a good 3 to 4 steps before that, the firmware will upgrade itself. That's always a crucial step, don't skip that, always go for the upgrade. And here we have it, so we can snooze it if we want privacy for a certain amount of time, and we can also select motion or chime snooze. Very handy, but let's access the doorbell right there. Mute the sound so that we don't get a feedback loop. And here we have a little walkthrough. And as you can see, there is no blind spot. We have the main camera up here and the secondary camera down here, and we have the dual view, so front view right here, porch view right here, and we can also go full screen. My screen recorder can't handle that. We can also record a video, take a screenshot, we can send the sound. That is working great. No feedback loop. That is amazing. So that worked really well. We can also hit the reply.
Excuse me, can I help you? Please leave it at the door.
Amazing. And we can also activate the dual light on the down low and also all the way right there on the top. Up here we have the package tracking, the live. We can deactivate it, well, the assistance. And lastly, let's check out the settings. So here we have motion detection, human only or all motions. Then we have the power manager. We should definitely charge the battery. And here we can set the behavior. We have the delivery guard on. We have familiar faces. We can enable that right here, and we can also add them manually. That's in development right now. And we also have the response settings right here, quick response or auto ring. And here we can set this. Pretty dope, pretty dope. Here we have different options for the chime. We can also set Alexa for the chime. It's crazy, you can do so much. We have the video settings, night vision, color, infrared or off. Then we have the dual cam settings. We can go for the dual mode or for the split mode. So we can set up the watch mode. We can do it like this and choose the corner or go for the split mode. That looks better in my opinion. And we also have these options, but that's fine with me. Save. We can deactivate the watermark and we can set the video quality, even HDR, and 2K is enabled, that's perfect. And we can also set privacy zones for neighbor privacy, for example. And audio settings once again. Oh yeah, let's enable it, of course. And that's looking good to me. And just like that, we covered all the most important settings and now it is time to install it. And after that, we will get to an actual test. Let's do it. For the installation, we will need 2 screws, a screwdriver, and they will go through here, of course. And the ideal height, it's 1.2 meters or 48 inches. Just like that. And now all that's left would be to insert the battery. We are fully charged, by the way. There we go. And let's insert it. Simple as that. Beautiful. And this is what it looks like. Looking really nice. And again, removing it is super simple. Just right there. It will pop open and there we go. So let's test it. I have closed the door and now let's see. Let's go in there and check this out. That is the perfect view. So I have placed the cameras on the stairs, as you can see right here. We can zoom in, that is amazing. And let's see, we have the front view, the porch view. We can also switch to full screen, but as always, my phone can't handle that. And down here we can record a video, we can call it. Oh, that's pretty perfect because the phone can pick up the sound.
The sound from the outside is pretty cool. The speakers are pretty low.
And we can also activate the light. And deactivate it once again. This will be interesting for the night mode. So let's check out the settings briefly. Video settings, streaming quality on high. That's perfect. All right, so we are ready to take a video. So let's see. Exiting the flat. So let's see, visitor will come like that. As you can see, the porch is perfectly visible, so packages like this one are perfectly visible. And as you can see, you will get real-time notifications, human alert. Of course, I pressed the button, I ring it. It can also notify you about the packages so that you can pick them up. And the video quality all in all looks amazing for a doorbell. That is perfect. The whole stairwell is covered. And also the porch, the footmat, everything. Perfect visibility. And that concludes the daylight test. Looking forward to the night vision test, so I will see you in a bit. So we are back with the night vision test. Let's access the camera. And as we can see, beautiful night mode. Everything is clearly visible. And now let's turn on the light. And this is what it will look like now. It will switch to the colored night mode. And let's turn it off again. We have the black-white night vision that is aided by the infrared LEDs, and here we have the colored night vision that is assisted by the lights, of course. Let's demonstrate another package delivery during the night. Okay, why not? So here we go. The doorbell will detect me. I can see the lights, the infrared LEDs. So let's drop the package. And there we go. And by the way, my face is clearly visible. So nice image quality, great image quality, it is looking beautiful, so big thumbs up from my side. So as always, the app makes the whole installation and setup process so easy, no issues whatsoever. Fast, simple and straight to the point. And in no time you will have a massive doorbell upgrade. The 2K image quality is great, the area in front of the door is fully covered, and thanks to the dual light system, the video and live view will always look great. Aside from that, it looks minimalistic, futuristic and cool, and the build quality is also top notch. And best of all, thanks to the local storage, you won't need cloud storage, and thus you won't have to pay for a monthly subscription fee like with most other video doorbells on the market. So in comparison, this thing right here will pay for itself over time. It offers great value for the price point, and same as for all the other eufy security products. The app is full of insights and many more bleeding edge features and settings that you can easily set up and control, like human detection, face recognition and package detection. Definitely trippy. Check out the product links in the description. I will link the best deals for you. But before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy your day and I will see you soon.